Go to the gradient tool in the tools panel, go to top left, click there and then go down to legacy gradients and then go for transparent rainbow. The great thing about that is that you've got transparency, you can apply it multiple times and you can layer them. Go for linear and blend mode normal and apply 10, 15, 100 times and just go downwards or upwards and release and vary the distance. And you can create literally millions and millions of designs, millions of colourful designs like this using that approach. Also, of course, you can go and edit that gradient so you don't have to have these colours. You can also go to the image menu and use adjustments to change them if you wish. And also you can add on top. So once you've done that, what you do, go to filter menu and down to distort and wave. I'm going for number generators 5. The wavelength I'm going for about 236, 241. Amplitude 1 to about 200. And you can use wraparound or repeat edges and type sign. Now the document I'm using is 1920 by 1080. So you might like to vary it depending on the size of document. Click OK. If the result is not what you want, just undo. Go back to filter, down to distort and go for wave. Maybe change the number of generators, just increase it maybe to 9 or 5. Use exactly the same settings as before, such as wrap, and apply it again. And you can see the result there. You can then go to the libraries panel, you can find that in the window menu, and down to the plus at the bottom and extract from image. Now the result might be a bit intense when you start, but you can change the scale, increase it, and also you can move around that design. You can go for the second or third. I'm going for the second here. And I'm changing the scale, and you can increase it, decrease it. You can also rotate. Literally millions of designs can be created, all saved to CC Library. Change the rotation again, click Save to CC Library. That one design can be used to create millions of different designs. So you've got them in the library, you can close it, or you can decide to have that one or that one. Any of the designs, just save and close the panel. You can see them in the libraries, just click there and it will create a pattern fill layer. Click again and it will create another pattern fill layer. Click OK.